Since 2014, we are presenting challenging tasks to the community, requiring them to propose ideas, and when they get chosen for the final round, they get provided with robots and may present their ideas to the public. So the theme and challenge for this year's Innovation Award is applying robotics to the challenging world of crafts and SMEs, so small and medium enterprises.
The biggest challenge this year was really we had a discussion about innovation. What is really innovation? And it's basically one of the important things that innovation is to have a good idea, but also to show that it's really able to reach the market at a certain point in time.
So we have developed something called as the Easy Robot Apprentice, which allows the craftsperson to focus on their creative tasks rather than on the monotonous tasks which take a lot of time.
It was great to see a robot in a completely new application, like in this textile industry, where the robot helps the human to load hand looms. And most of the people have never seen a robot in such a context before.
So what we're solving here is a croissant making process. So we worked with a local bakery in Toronto where they said that croissants take a lot of time to make. So we automate most of the process for them.
We are Team RECOP. RECOP is a project that starts in Belgium, a combination between the company LRS and KU Leuven. We want with robotics to the people, get the public for this robot like small enterprises. And for small enterprises, the ease of use is a very high topic.
The biggest challenge in evaluating our teams was that all of them showed great quality in their ideas. It was really difficult to choose the winner because at the end only one can win.
My perspective from a craftsman point is to see how the teams can integrate the technology into the environment of the craftsman.
For me, it was very important that it has a nice and easy user interface so that the craftsman can just use it. So because there are no programmers, they are craft people.
The winning team convinced the jury, especially with the technical readiness of the application and also the easiness of the configuration of the robot for flexible tasks.
And the winner is Team RECOP. Thank you very much.
I was very happy that we win the award. Certainly for the two students, their final work has then also been selected as the winner with these all other two very good teams.
I think KUKA Innovation Award provides the right opportunity where it can be recognized and also rewarded. So I would promote all of the teams who are looking to show their abilities to come to the KUKA Innovation platform.
Industrial intelligence.